Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use a free AI animation video generator to bring your ideas to life in minutes. So making animations used to take hours of editing, but now AI tools make it fast, simple and fun. So it's perfect for YouTube, TikTok or storytelling. So first, what you need to do to create one is just go to an AI video generator like this one, Animaker, Vyond, Kyber or free AI options, and you can just sign up for a free account. So I have this free account right here, and then what you need to do is just write your script or story idea. So AI works best when you give it a clear idea. You can write a short script or story you want to turn into animations, like a funny skit, an explainer, or a motivational video. So in here, for example, I'm going to just use this one, generate animation using AI. Tap on that options. Then you can just select the category for your AI video generation. So for example, I'm going to go with birthday wishes, say, and in here you can describe about your birthday wishes video below. For example, make a birthday wishes for a 2-year-old boy. For example like this, and then you can just tap on this option to generate the video. So Animaker will analyzing the prompts if you use this AI. So you can just wait until this option will show up. You can see, so most AI tools will let you create cartoon characters instantly. You can customize here the voiceover. I'm going to go with female. The background music, I'm going to enable it, and here you can change the language if you want to. I'm going to just go with English, then click on proceed to next. So Animaker will ask you again about the details of the prompt, so you can just fill in this form and click on proceed again. So you can just wait until the video is ready. Okay, so the video is finishing. You can just wait until the result came out. You can preview it first by clicking on this play button like this. And if you have credits or if you already upgrade the plan, you can do advanced edit in here, or you can just click on this download directly if you are already satisfied with the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.